Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to my another video. Today I want to show you how I made this wooden spoon. And if you are interested to know how I made this and what process I did, please keep watching and follow my channel. First step, I'm going to draw a spoon design in SolidWorks and then print it out. Let's do this. Well, to start, I want to cut off piece of this. Let's do this. I need to cut the black line with the scissors. Well, I need to transfer this paper on the wood as a pattern, like this. This is our pattern. Well, the key point is that I need to cut off this wood from top and side. Let's do this. This is the main shape of our wooden spoon. Well, I want to glue my workpiece to CNC table with super glue and activator. Well, I have reached to sanding stage, and now I want to use sandpaper to refine the shape of this wooden spoon If you're ready, let's do this. I must say this is my first time making wooden spoon. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button down below and write your comment in comment section and tell me your comment about this wooden spoon. And just thank you for watching. Goodbye.